I'm Mike with Ware Landscaping, and we're here at a project today where we did a huge hardscape, outdoor kitchen, fire pit, and we're doing a drainage portion right now. You can see that we put perforated piping all in through here. We put a really hard blue pipe in here that's got holes in it that's going to serve as a French drain. And then you can see, as if you come a little bit closer, we put a sleeve on it so it's not going to clog up. These are a really important part. This is the collection basin, and that's going to help channel all the water to it. In this case, we took the sump pump and tied it into it, so it's going to slowly dissipate. But you can see we've used a laser here to make sure that everything is going downhill the way that it should flow with the swale. But the next step is we're going to put clean gravel all through here and then regrade the whole backyard so everything flows to it, and then resod it, and it's going to look awesome when it's all done. And yeah, we're getting going on the French drain.